Okay, so what happened tonight was we were just all eating dinner, and then this guy decides to take a bone and swallow it whole. It was literally like that big, and he swallowed it. And he's eaten a lot of things. He's eaten chocolate, spaghetti. So yeah. I don't know what's going on, but he's probably gonna throw it up at some point. So yeah. What are you doing? Cody, what is your problem? You just swallowed a bone whole. You have teeth, you can chew. That bone was meant for gnawing on, not swallowing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Also, I did a collab with Amber Plays. She's one of my friends, and she did a voice reveal. I'll try to link it, but I don't know if it's gonna work. So, yes, I'm probably gonna do another collaboration with her soon. My voiceovers suck. Yeah, okay, so happy flying, and yeah. What is that sound? Okay, oh gosh, that cannot be good. Cody's looking at me weird. What are you looking at? Anyways. Ugh. I really need a better way to end these voiceovers. Because I am just not, it's not working. So I cannot talk now. Stay safe, and I'm just gonna end it. I have no outro at this point.